Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. It's Shin Megami Tensei V for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing it out once again on the Yuzu Emulator. I have been hearing people conflicting me, telling me that it's actually running at this point in time. They have been having issues. However, I don't seem to be having those issues when I launch the game. It's running quite nicely, and I'm running at the default preset. As you can see, make sure you have everything here correct as well, but everything is running the exact same way that it normally does on this system. We basically run everything on default. Obviously use Vulkan because you kind of need that stuff. But other than that, game runs fine. I have not had any issue running this game on here. And that says a lot, because a lot of crap sucks to run on here. But once again, we're testing it out on the Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX570 4GB VRAM graphics card. As you can see, even the cutscenes will run better now because this is the second time I'm loading into the game. Obviously, we still have the texture pop in. There are some graphics glitches as well. It's not perfect, but it runs.
Alright. So word on the street is a bunch of monsters have been seen hanging around this tunnel.
And because the first time around I did it, I didn't actually load in the shaders. This time the shaders are already here. So as you can see, it's going to be a smoother experience.
Yow! Sheesh! Ceiling's pretty low. Pretty dark in here too. Looks dangerous. All right. Enough screwing around. Let's go even deeper, yeah? I think we might be onto something big.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I would like to skip. So yeah, the cutscenes run fine. There's not much else I can really do about this. It's either it runs or not. I'm not sure about how it would run on a GTX because... But you guys can use OpenGL, which I would recommend, or try the ryujinx emulator. That one ran as well. Unfortunately for me, the ryujinx emulator and AMD, because it only has OpenGL, doesn't go hand in hand. The game played crappy. It was like 10 FPS and stuff. It was terrible. So we have to use the Yuzu emulator if we have AMD. Unfortunately, that's how it is at this point in time. But it runs. Obviously, there are many texture and graphical issues, but the whole point is that you get to play this game.
How can this be?
And it's not an easy feat. It also runs at 60 FPS smooth, which is crazy. Look at that smooth 60. That's crazy, man. That is a smooth 60 FPS right there. Beautiful. Beautiful every time. Oh dear. Oh dear, dear, oh dear me. Graphical issues. So it still runs. I'm not sure. This is using the latest user update, the 809. I'm not even using the early access one. Literally just the latest free build. Runs fine. Ran fine on integrated graphics as well. I tested it out on the RX540. You can go check out that video as well. Didn't run as smoothly, not nearly as smoothly, but it ran nonetheless. So integrated graphics can run this game as well. Oh snap, I feel like y'all about to be blasted. and I started blasting. The only thing I can say is it does take up a crazy amount of RAM. Like, damn. Have some restraint, guys. That being said, let's move into more gameplay once again and see what happens.
Young man, if you wish to live, take my hand.
I decided to do some emulation today. I've been neglecting the emulation. There have been so many PC games coming out that I haven't been doing emulation as much. I decided I should probably get to some emulation in here, man. So here we are. Getting games to run.
Until then, may your newfound power guide your survival.
Wow.
Young man, you not our form, I shall go.
Like I said, obviously the second time around, it's going to run way better than the first time because it has already built in the shaders, which is awesome because you get a lot more stuff. You're dead now. Oh, whoa, you survived. You have a little bit of health left? Crazy. I thought you were dead. I was wrong. Embarrassed with all that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Once again, smash that like button if you enjoy this type of content where I post some games, how to get these games running on your systems. Like I said, it's quite cut and dry. I haven't updated those product keys for Yuzu in a long damn time, and it still runs fine.
This, it seemed, correct.
Like without any issue, this runs.
But do not worry. Together, let us keep. I'd love.
As you can see, the game plays at 60 even while running around the place. It's amazing. See that? Even while running around. Still, speed of light. Bye-bye.
You seem worn out.
What more could you want?
This work, the lights. What? Perhaps. Were you able to? Magat.
As smooth as can be, the game runs. At that 60 FPS. I'll see you guys next time.